Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Vamsi Reddy. Now we are going to continue the playlist of data science interview questions. So, in this playlist, I already told you that from beginner to advanced level mission interview questions we are going to discuss. So, today we are going some of the questions like what are common machine learning algorithms? Here are some of the common machine learning algorithms. We can say that linear regression, logistic regression, k-means cluster like KNN, SVM, and decision tree, some of the common machine learning algorithms. So, what is the important of feature engineering in machine learning? So, we have know the topics like feature engineering. Why the feature engineering is important? So, this is an important this is an important topic for the interview based. Okay, feature engineering is the process of transforming the raw data into features that can be used by the machine learning algorithms. It involves a task such as scaling features, handling missing data, and creating new features. So, featuring is most important because we need to find a perfect data set for the machine learning algorithm to get a perfect output, like a accurate output. For that purpose, we use this featuring. And the next question is, what is the differences between supervised learning and unsupervised learning? So, whereas supervised learning is known as a labeled data as an input, and supervised learning has a feedback mechanism, and supervised algorithms, they commonly use algorithms like elastic decision tree, support vector, and linear regression. These are some of the basic algorithms. Whereas coming to the unsupervised learning, uses unlabeled data. There is no feedback mechanism present in the unsupervised learning, and mostly some of the algorithms like k-means, hierarchical clusters, some of the unsupervised learning algorithms also PCA. These are the things present. And next, so what is logistic regression? Whereas the first most important logistic regression is the algorithm of machine learning. So in logistic regression, it is a statistical method used to predict the probability of a binary outcomes. Whereas an example of yes or no, fall or fail, pass or fail, alive or dead, true or false. These are the things that means binary outcomes based on one or more independent variables. It contains one or more independent like variables. It is a type of regression analysis, but unlike linear regression, with the predicting continuous values, logistic regression predict categorical values. Whereas a categorical value means it's simply given as binary values, like two types of values: yes or no, pass or fail, and true or false. These are the categorical variables. So next question is, what is decision tree? So simply we can know that this decision tree is a algorithm of machine learning. So decision tree is a decision support hierarchical model that can be used as tree-like model of decision and the possible consequences, including chances, event outcomes, resources, cost, and utilize it is one way to display an algorithm that only contains conditions control statements. So that simply we can say that this decision tree contain the like the tree like model, like simply we can say the tree like model where it contain the conditional control statements like tree like parent rule, branches, everything contain. So we can use the decision tree. And what are some of the benefits of using decision tree? So we are using the decision tree algorithm, so we don't know how the benefits. So here are some like four benefits, like some simple benefits we get by using decision tree. They are easy to understand and interpret. They can be used to classify the data with high accuracy. They can handle in both categorical and numerical data. They are robust to outliers and missing values. These are the four benefits of using decision tree. And next question is, what are some limitations of decision tree? So we need to know some limitations of decision tree. Like there is some limitations. The most important limitation is they can be overfitted to the training data. They can be difficult to interrupt for the complex data. They are not well suited for the tasks that require high precision. These are the limitations of using decision tree. To overcome these limitations, we have a random forest. So on the upcoming questions, we will discuss about that. So examples of how decision trees are used in practice. So in real time experience, how the decision trees are used. So for customer risk or like credit card fraud, high risk or low risk for the classification, we use the decision tree. In medical field also we use the decision tree, and marketing campaigns also we use the decision tree to predict the outcomes of the football game. Also we will use the decision. Overall, all the areas we can use the decision tree. Okay. And next question is, what is pruning in the decision tree? So it is the most important topic. Each and every interviewer can ask this question. Be prepared for this. Pruning is a technique used to decision tree algorithm to reduce the size of the tree and improve its generalization performance. So overfitting occurs when the decision tree becomes too complex and memorizing the training data instead of learning generalization pattern. Pruning helps to prevent the overfitting by removing unnecessary nodes from the tree. So here simply we can say that pruning is a reducing the tree size and improving the generalization performance. This is the most important thing. So this all present in the pruning. And the next question is types of pruning. What are the types of pruning? Basically, there is a two types of pruning. One is pure pre-pruning and post-pruning. Here, the pre-pruning, this is the type of pruning involving stopping the growth of a tree before it reaches its fully depth. This can be done by settling a maximum depth for the tree or by using a strategy to stop the growth of a tree based on the pruning of its node. Whereas a past pruning, this type of pruning involves removing the nodes from the fully growth tree. This is typically done by the evaluation the effect to remove each node and the tree performance on a validation set. So this is the two types of prunings. What are the benefits of prunings? So we need to know what are the benefits. It's reduce the size. Here, the reduce the tree size is the most important benefit, and improve the generalization performance, and reduce the compilations of cost. And these are the three most benefits we get from the pruning. And the last one is, what is entropy in decision tree? Entropy is a measure of uncertainty of randomness in a set of data. It, in this context of a decision tree, entropy is used to measure the pruning of a node, purity of a node. A pure node is node that contains only instance of one class. A node with high entropy is a node that contains instance of multiple classes. Simply, we can say that it is a measure of uncertainty or randomness in a set of data set. So exactly the pure node what we need is a calculator. So shortest way to reach the goal, we can use the entropy. There is a formula for the entropy, and next video we will go and discuss about the formula, everything. I hope this video will help you. Please like, share and subscribe.